Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the hardware. Locate the RJ45 jack on your PC and the matching port on your router or switch. Once done, verify the router is powered and its port LED is ready to indicate link. Make sure you choose an appropriate cable like Cat5e or Cat6 so you get stable speeds. You should also inspect the cable ends for bent pins and ensure the clip will latch securely. This first step sets the foundation for a reliable connection. You now plug the cable firmly into the PC until the clip snaps and both device LEDs show activity. That immediate visual confirms physical link. Then, on your operating system, open Network Settings. Enable the wired adapter and consider disabling Wi-Fi to avoid routing conflicts. Next, choose DHCP for automatic addressing or assign a static IP if your network requires it, and enter DNS values when needed. Make these changes deliberately. You finish by verifying connectivity. Ping the gateway or open a website to confirm traffic flows. If you see no link, reseat the cable, try a different router port, or swap to a known good cable to isolate the fault. Make sure network adapter drivers are up to date and adapter is enabled. If configuration seems correct but traffic is blocked, briefly disable firewall or security software to test. If that fixes it, re-enable protections and adjust rules. This narrows down the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.